You can come closer.
Okay. Wow. Thank you. I don't know if this is gonna get it. That's okay. I'm doing my best.
That's a body part right there. And another puppy. Oh, you're a big puppy.
Good girl, Roxy girl.
There's a heart. See that?
Oh.
See that?
Roxy's a good girl.
That's a baby heart right there. And a baby liver. Actually, baby lungs. Those are, yeah, full of water when you're a baby inside mama. All right, so we have, what do we have for numbers? We have
Good girl, Roxy girl. She's like, what's going on?
that's actually kind of glaring on
Oh,
the screen.
so bright. I think that would bug her.
I don't know, she's pretty intent right now. I don't think anything's gonna divert her, but.
So bright though.
Can you see the sock, honey? That's what I don't want to miss.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. So
Oh my gosh.
that's why I keep putting this here so we can tell rather than in all the lumpy bumpies here.
So it's not really our place to pull it out though, right? Unless we need to.
Right. Right. We'll let her do her thing unless she gets into trouble and then
Oh my gosh.
something okay, girl.
She's having her babies. Oh. Good girl, Roxy. And she's supposed to be eating it, right? I mean, that's what
Yeah,
we
except we
want.
want the baby to be out. Okay. Oh, so good girl.
Good girl, Roxy girl.
Girl.
I feel terrible because like doing this at the same time. Oh my gosh. Oh god, it just burst.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
Right. No. Shouldn't be long.
Push, baby, push.
Yeah. Okay, lovey.
That was the water sac?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Just working hard just to get coming up.
Sorry, Roxy. You should probably like get this out of my face. I see something of this.
Good girl. Good girl, babe.
It's right there.
Good girl.
Push, good girl, push.
If we can just. I don't know if this is a great time, but. Good girl, Roxy.
Push, good girl. You're doing good, good girl. Good girl, Roxy girl.
Oh, that's so good. Let's get this. Have another one,
Yeah, we have tons right here. Should I just turn the light up?
Well, it's just a matter of she gets all cuddled in there. Okay. That's all better. She needs to go. Good girl.
Good girl, Roxy. She's so tired.
Yeah. That's what they call it labor. It's hard work.
Now you see it more than I do.
Mm-hmm.
Can you see it okay?
No, I can't.
Good girl, Roxy girl. push, good push. Good push, good girl. She's like, get this light out of my face. Good girl. Good girl. Let's see.
There you go.
You're doing good, good girl. Good girl, Roxy. Yeah, water.
She wasn't interested before, and she probably isn't now with all that licking. I'm thinking maybe we should get a little bit of this out. I know you want to borrow screen, but like burst energy there.
Yeah, it's really coming.
Yeah.
Oh god, she's not even in a comfortable place. Good girl. Good girl. She's sliding around.
Yeah.
You want me to help you get her up?
I think if we can, I don't know, if we can just make this flat. So that even if she grows, we can see what's going on. Okay.
She's so terribly hard. Oh my gosh, that's her nose. You can see something. It's just her nose. It's a little, foot like. Oh my gosh. Good job, Roxy girl. Push, good girl, push. She's doing a lot with her mouth. Is that normal?
I was kind of hoping she'd just plain push.
Roxy, push, good girl. She doesn't know what to do. Oh, push. 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 Push.
Maybe we can get one of those. Good girl.
Good, Roxy.
Good girl.
Good push.
Good
Oh
girl.
my gosh. Oh my god. Push, Roxy girl. Good girl. She's having trouble getting to it. Oh my gosh. Push, Roxy girl. Push, Roxy girl.
Sweetie. Come on, sweetie.
Good girl. Good, Roxy. Go again. Go again. Push. Push, good girl.
Oh, come on, little one.
Push. Oh my gosh. Oh. Roxy, push.
Just want it to be sure to come. Come on, baby. Okay. Oh,
Push, Roxy girl. Push.
come on, baby.
Push, Roxy girl.
Okay. You can take a little breath, sweetie pie.
Keep going. Keep going.
Honey bun. Atta girl. Atta girl. Oh, okay.
It's kind of weird. But
All the way out. All the way out, baby dog. Please be okay. Okay. Take care of your baby.
good girl, Roxy. She got the mouth open.
Yeah, take care of your baby. Oh,
Oh my gosh.
that a good girl.
Oh my gosh.
I'm gonna stimulate it so it's gonna breathe. Come on, sweetheart. Come on, sweetheart. Oh, I want to hear that little noise. I want to hear that little noise.
Good girl, Roxy girl.
Good girl.
Good girl, Roxy.
You might want to get that light just for a little bit back. Okay. That's good. Okay. Let's get you. Good girl. Good girl. Come on, lovey. Let's hear ya. Let's hear ya. I wish I had a bulk syringe, but I don't. You're doing a good job, I think. I heard a little squeak, but I want to hear more squeak.
Oh my god.
Sweetie.
Should I massage it?
Yeah, that would be fine too. I just am trying to. Okay, don't smother her. Yeah, you get her so close. Okay. You're doing a good job. And when it's moving on its own and it's looking for mom. Yeah, you're gonna have breakfast. Oh, that's good.
Good girl, Roxy girl. You're doing such a good job.
Sweetie. There you go. There you go. Okay, easy. Got a little guy there. Or gal or whatever it is.
Make more noises.
Yeah, okay. Okay, can you hold still? Oh, because you know what? Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Looking for some food. You're looking for some food. Don't squish her.
I do have some baby formula. I think
Yeah.
if something happened.
Well, I think it's just okay. Okay, there's mom. There's mom. Oh, okay. Oh, there's your baby.
you trying to do?
Well, I just don't want it squishing. It's looking for a nipple. And that would be the nicest sign that everybody's doing what they're supposed to.
I think she's trying. I think she either has it or she's trying to suck.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
I don't know if she's sucking, but
I just didn't want her to sit on her.
do we want him to feed right away?
She should. Yeah, she'll get to the nipple pretty quick, but I don't know what's.
I think she's licking her
But
area now again.
yeah, she's probably hurting.
Good girl, Roxy girl. You got a baby. You're so good girl. I'm so proud of her.
Mm-hmm.
Oh,
Mother Nature's pretty wonderful, isn't it?
yeah. And stupid light probably too is bugging her. I can't tell if the baby's sucking or not.
It's trying, but
There's something coming out of her again, but I don't know what. Oh, it's still that white stuff.
yeah, well, that would be a good stimulus for her. Yeah.
Oh my God, Roxy.
That's something.
She's so good.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. So we'll get you nice and clean.
Oh, Roxy.
Sorry.
Do you want to come over here?
No, I just.
I don't think she's found nipple yet. Should we try to?
I just didn't want her to get smothered, but because she's so intent on licking herself, but it looks like she's pretty strong. That's good. You're pretty strong.
She's trying to find a nipple. Like,
Yeah.
she's around it, but it's kind of big for her.
Yeah, well, also, Roxy's kind of a moving target.
Yeah. She's like, Mom. Good girl, Roxy girl. Roxy's doing so good.
Yeah,
That's the umbilical cord?
yeah, it's part of the placenta. Well, the umbilical cord is underneath her, but,
That's the placenta.
well, to be honest, I can't see if it's attached. It might be just it might be the cord.
Okay.
And
You know what? I don't think it is. I think the cord is still, like the cord was smaller than that.
they brought dental floss to tie it off, but I think she already got everything severed, which is great. You did such a great job.
How do you get her boob? She's such a good girl. Is this okay? I feel bad. You're like sitting here doing all the work and I'm like sitting here taping.
No, she's doing all the work. Probably shrub her hair, but
Okay, now it's kind of around his neck. Like the white thing, but she's eating it.
yeah, she's cleaning up her baby. But, okay, so that was maybe, I don't know, 20 to 4.
Okay.
Something close enough to that.
Oh gosh. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much for being here.
Oh,
I was
think
just
this
so
is
nervous.
My pleasure. Believe me, what an honor I have to be here.
I know. He's like, I think he's sucking on her, but not on her chest. Roxy's so good. She's used to people annoying her. I don't know. But she's come on, good girl. Oh, he's found it. Oh, almost. He had it, but then I do have a scale. I don't know when you want to weigh him.
I don't think it's important. I think the most important thing is to keep them warm and
Okay.
near her. And she's doing a great job of cleaning them off. But when she has the other one, we want to kind of,
Take care of this one.
well, in the same neighborhood, but so
Right.
she doesn't sit on it or anything.
Oh my gosh.
So tiny, huh?
Oh my gosh.
I don't know if she I don't know if she has milk because she hasn't had any before.
Gosh, she's having to do a lot of licking.
Yeah, she's gonna be really tired. Okay, sweetie.
Video, I just feel like I'm in this way.
So he's
It's hard to see.
number one.
His feet's moving a little bit.
Roxy. Oh yeah, and suckling. I don't know if it's getting anything, but
Oh,
it's
he's
trying.
trying.
Okay, I just want to make sure it's moving around and breathing.
Well, the way he came out with on his head was kind of scary for me.
Yeah, my thought was they were supposed to come out face first.
Oh,
So,
yeah. That's why you were nervous. I mean, not.
It was really concerning when the head was so bent down. I thought,
Yeah, that was me too.
yeah.
Yeah. Good girl. So this one, you think it's a girl or a boy, or is it too early to tell?
I don't know. I haven't really seen. I just wanted to make sure it was moving and breathing.
So this puppy is on her chest. It looks really red though. Okay. Now he's like
So
moving.
little.
I can't tell if she's getting milk or not though.
Take one picture.
Oh yeah.
I don't want the stock market.
Oh
Okay.
my gosh.
Where are you, sweetie pie? Where are you?
Oh my gosh, this doggy's so small.
I know, it is so sweet.
Good girl, Roxy girl. Good girl.
Yeah, you're doing it.
You're a good
job.
girl, Roxy. Roxy's a good girl.
Maybe a selfie.
I know. Oh my gosh.
Hi, sweetheart.
She's so beautiful. He just moved him off the breast.
Says button on. I haven't even taken the picture yet. Trying to get an angle. I've only seen his tail.
She like tousles him around. It's so
Yeah.
funny.
But you know, in a way, it's good because it's stimulating. Because that's what we'd be doing with the towel if it weren't on the
Okay.
edge. So Mom's doing her job. It does seem like she's a little rough, huh?
Well, but
No,
chest. The chest. Roxy's getting really red. I just don't know.
I think it's fine, honey. She just.
Oh my gosh. So beautiful. Good girl, Roxy girl. Gosh, I would don't feel what she was feeling now. Feel it soon enough, I guess. Oh my gosh. It's moving.
That's good. That's what we want. We want you to be moving and grooving. Right now it's got Max's colors, huh?
Well, yeah. And it has Roxy's beautiful coloring.
Mm.
I love Roxy's coloring. I always have.
Yeah, it's pretty. Save some of your energy, sweetie. Save some of your energy.
Oh, jeez. She's so beautiful. It'd be nice if Rob walked through the door right now.
Yeah, I wouldn't drive off the road. And sweetie, when I say things like that,
No, I know. He's just
I
tired.
know exactly how you love him, and I never, ever want to imply anything
No, I
like
know.
my motherly love, but I mean, it's just,
Just be safe.
yeah, exactly. I just
She's
want to
moving
be
here, right?
easy on this little kid. Okay, you're just kind of chewing on that cord, aren't you?
Should I let her be without?
I don't know. I should tie it off with the.
Do you think that's the umbilical cord?
Well, it's on its abdomen, yeah, definitely.
Oh.
Yeah. But
Oh my gosh, she's so cute. Oh, did you want floss? You got it.
I brought some. Oh, I like hearing those little noises.
So you think she is getting milk or he is getting milk?
He's getting what?
The milk from her?
I don't know. You know, human milk doesn't always come in. It's just colostrum for the first little bit.
That's true.
I don't really know.
But that's really important stuff.
Yeah, it is.
Okay. Well, I'll keep a light on her or should I?
Yeah. See?
She has other puppies she needs to take care of.
Yeah. I guess there's not any warmth from that, right?
Is that good or bad?
It's just, well, just important with the puppies because it's wet, right? And it stays warm.
Trying to think of how we could provide heat.
We don't.
I could turn off the fan.
I don't think that's bothering too much because it's over there. But I'm wondering, you don't have like a gooseneck lamp or anything, right?
Well, it does, but I don't know if it's hot.
Yeah. Okay.
I can look.
Well, you know what? It's pretty warm in here.
Oh, you're good.
Oh, yeah, you are. Just don't sit on her. Or him. Oh, easy, easy, easy. Okay, sweetie. Okay, okay. I wonder if somebody's coming here. Okay.
Really?
All right. No. Okay, okay. Okay, sweetie. She's uncomfortable for some reason, so something's happening. All right.
Should we take the baby?
Well,
How can I help you?
I don't know. I just want to make sure she can breathe. Because, you know, their eyes aren't open. And
Do you think that's the baby or is that her making noises? I think it's the baby.
I think it's the baby,
I need.
See, wait a minute. The cord's still. Let's see. Oh, it is. Okay. Oh, sweetheart. I don't know if I can do this. It's such
Do you want
a
me to
short
hold
one.
her? Good girl.
Yes, you're just really wet, aren't you? Mom's been wetting you up there a lot.
Good girl.
Oh, is that your baby? Yes, that's your baby.
Did you want me to help you?
Well, I really don't know that I'm going to be able to tie this because it's so short and it's almost all. Easy with your paw. Easy with your paw, baby.
You want me to take her and just hold her up for you?
Maybe so, honey.
Okay.
She wants to understand.
Come here. But it's not, it's just in
Oh, honey, you can't just. Oh, I know.
Oh, she's on the nipple. Good girl, Roxy girl. Good girl. She's licking.
Mm-hmm.
And she's pushing now.
Mm-hmm.
She's kind of at a bad angle though. Should we move her?
Yeah. I think she's gonna move herself more than we're gonna move her.
Good girl, Roxy girl. You can do this, good girl.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, you can. You're a good girl.
How are you feeling besides showing off her a little bit? I know she was gonna look at her and she's just trying to figure out what's gonna be happening. Yeah, there's the sack.
Good girl. Good girl.
Mm-hmm.
It's right on her rear.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Squish baby one.
Still not very good. She's close to me. Oh yeah, move the whole thing. Oh, there we go. Oh, that's good. She's breathing really hard. Good girl, Marcy.
Can you see it then? Just kind of attic right now.
I know.
Do you have enough battery?
Yeah, maybe I should put it up on there.
Can you see it? Here comes somebody.
Girl, Roxy. Good girl. Good girl.
He's still in the sack, yeah. Okay, good.
I'm gonna get the puppy in.
Okay, we could keep you warm, baby.
You want me to go in?
Sure. Okay. Okay, love it. Okay, love it. So squirmy.
Okay.
Okay, come somebody. Come somebody.
Right here. She's okay. She's okay. Okay.
Wow, I didn't want to get that. Okay, so we'll give her about a minute and then we'll break it.
It's okay.
Okay, I'm not breaking it, lovey. That's it. Go ahead. Come on, honey. I need to get that open. Okay, need to get that open. There it goes. There's that little face. Okay. Maybe shine the. I know you got 10 things going, babe.
Can you see it?
Yeah, but I don't want to get it pierced. Okay, come on, love. We gotta get this going here. Okay.
Good girl.
It's off of your head. Like a plastic bag that sticks on there. Are you getting it? You getting it? Atta girl. Oh. Okay, she's gotta give birth to the afterbirth. Okay, come on. We gotta get you. Come on. We gotta get you going, baby.
Okay, good. The mouth opens.
Oh, that's good. That's good. Come on, honey bun. Okay. You get your baby. Get your baby going. Come on, love. Come on. Atta girl. Whatever you are. Okay, that's good. I want to hear some noises. Can you hear some noises? Hear some noises. Oh.
No, Max.
Good, baby. You're trying to stand up already. That's a good thing, but that umbilical cord is creeping me out.
Scissors are right there. They're looking for the
Yeah.
floss. Floss, are you seeing it underneath me?
Okay. Shoot. She hasn't delivered the whole placenta yet. Okay, you need to be moving and grooving, baby. Come on. Oh, come on. You can't be sleepy. Can't be sleepy. Come on, don't be sleepy. Come on. Come on. No. Let's hear a little squeak out of you. A little squeak out of you. I don't want you to be sleepy. It'd be a good time to tie the cord, but I.
Do you want to get the focus?
Oh, there it is. Okay. That'd be great. Thank you. You know, this one's never going to be used on humans. Maybe it'll be easier to do if I get it early. But you need to liven up, Lovey. Come on. Come on. No sleepy babies. I think that one's got a dew claw like Daddy.
Oh, really?
I think so. Okay, come on, love. Come on. Come on. Come on. Start to move around more. That's good. You're looking for breakfast too. Mhm, so- But it's so hard to reach them. Good girl, Lexi. Good girl. That one's just comfortable.
Yeah.
Good.
Hopefully.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
As soon as she starts to complain if I stop and stop taking her.
Roxy. Come on, love. Mm. Mm. Come on. Don't be sleepy, baby.
No, Max. Has she gotten the whole placenta out yet?
Can't see if she's really giving it her best shot, but not quite
Mm.
trying not to move it.
I think she's getting umbilical cord too. Oh, it just turns. It's on the other side and it just turns.
Yeah, I've done it 3 or 4 times and I'm not doing it now. Thank you, ma'am.
No, my boy.
She doesn't have it all out yet. That one's okay. We love you. I can't take the baby because it's still attached. I want to dry her off too.
Oh,
We'll use these. I think this is probably fine, considering she's sitting in all sorts of glop already.
mm-hmm.
I'll call you girl until I know better.
Where'd you go? Okay.
I think he freed. She freed him up. Yeah.
He's bleeding quite a bit.
Yeah, I know it. Oh, sweetie.
Can you help put more on?
I don't know how we can do it with 2 hands, but maybe so. Just try to keep it warm because, and its head. Oh, I take this part. I know, it's just really hard to. I can't get in.
Okay. I don't want to take him away
I
from
know,
her either.
I know.
What should I do?
Well,
Just
just
put
keep
it
it warm,
Okay.
I guess. But I don't want it bleeding much. Because she's licking it away, we don't have a good idea of how much. Okay, baby, don't bite its foot. Don't bite its foot. Oh, boy.
Mercy, go get the head.
Here, up here.
Get the head. She's like focused on the blood.
Mm-hmm.
Is it okay if I mix the blood on the babies?
I guess so. They've all been together.
Come here, baby girl. Should the head's kind of down on her.
Yeah.
Honey, I'm sorry. I'm coming with you.
Well, we do what we can do, right? Let's try
Put
this.
this shoulder.
Okay, okay. Roxy. Oh, baby. Mm. You're doing a really good job, honey, but I can't help you.
It's okay. You're doing good.
Oh, see, it's so big. I wonder
Oh, the head's getting wet.
opportunity, but
Roxy, come here.
oh boy, that stuff doesn't taste too good, does it?
here.
Okay, she's not with her baby, so it would be a good time to try to do this.
Okay.
Okay, come on.
Okay.
I don't know if I even have to have you help with that.
Wish Mac had another hand.
And it's just,
Okay.
you never had. You know, it should stop bleeding on its own, but you just turn over so well, huh? I don't think I can get it right now. Um, there you go, sweetie.
Do you want to hold her while you can?
We're not going to take your babies. No, we're not going to take your babies.
Right here, Roxy girl. Right here. Okay. She's right here. She smells the blood on my hand. Honey, that's not. This is your more important. But the other one's your more important baby. It's okay. Do you want to hold it?
I just don't want it to get cold. So
Roxy?
I can do it too, but
I just was to see if we want to do the umbilical cord.
I'm just concerned about it, but I don't think I'm going to be able to do it. Oops.
Do you want me to try to hold it?
Alright, let's get you all the way out. Make sure where your head is. Okay, you give it a shot. Get it open.
you want to switch places?
No, it's okay, babe.
Mhm.
I just want to make sure she's going to get that. See, it just sticks so much, and I don't want it to be too late.
Can we do it with our hands?
Well, that's what I'm trying to do, but I say I don't want to get the baby's skin. Let's see, I'll just. It's really.
Yay, you got the head.
Mm-hmm. Oh, we gotta get these other guys out of here now,
Okay.
because it's just icky and yucky. Let it keep it warm. And get all wet. Okay, sweetie. You gotta liven up here. Okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Good girl. Whatever you are. That looks smaller to me. Oh, that's a good baby dog. Good girl, Roxy.
Sorry.
Oh,
Are you
that's all right.
okay?
Yep. I just want to kneel on something.
Do you want me to get you a pillow?
No, it's good. It's just I was kneeling on something knobby.
Gosh.
Sorry. Okay, love.
There's, okay, the placenta's still coming.
Yeah. Just want to try to keep it a little dry.
Is the mouth open?
Come on, love. What you doing here? Oh, it's already trying to suckle.
Really?
Yeah.
Wonderful.
Okay, but I want you to show a little action there. A little action, okay? Come on.
These two are better because they have each other to keep them company.
Yeah. Come on, baby. Can't be lazy. Gotta be a little spunky here. Yeah, girl. Good girl. How's she doing with that?
Still here. I mean, still, it's,
Attached.
yeah.
Okay. Just want to make sure you're nice and awake here. You breathe in and all that stuff. And you're moving. Oh boy, I don't know how you do this. Okay, sweetie. Okay.
Okay.
So you've got both of them, right? Because there was something lumpy here and I didn't want to lean on it.
Yeah, you're good.
Okay.
Where's your favorite thing? One of them is like, I'm sleeping. The other one's like, I'm active. I want to move.
Okay, and we just gotta let that take its time to get born. That rest of that form, I guess. Oh, wow. This one looks smaller to me, but I'm not sure. It might not be, but maybe it's just weather.
I don't, it looks kind of the same size to me,
Yeah, maybe so.
but
This guy's just sleepy.
he was moving a lot.
Okay.
You're kind of mad at me taking away from my mommy.
Mom's kind of busy, huh?
Do you want to move? We can have this side. This one's like sucking on the mom already.
Yeah, I know it. It's amazing. I just want it to be sure that it's breathing enough and all that stuff too, not just laying there. Okay. Yeah, you can't be lazy. Because Roxy's not licking her or it. She's licking herself, and make sure it's be nice and active and get some good O2 in, and not be a low up our baby puppy. Yeah, okay. Just a good baby girl or boy. Well, that's a, I mean, if you're,
You're doing okay,
I'd
babe.
keep those on them and just tuck them in here maybe.
This one,
Maybe she'll root around for them, but
this one wants to like move.
yeah. Okay, okay.
Oh, she hears the crying now. She's like,
Says, oh, I must do something over here. What are you doing over here, sweetie?
he's moving his hands.
Yeah, that's good. That's good. Oh, does mommy have such nice babies? Yeah, such sweet babies.
Gosh, it's like so demanding.
Yeah, really.
I mean, what would you do if you didn't have more than one person? This would just be so difficult.
Well, it's wouldn't always fun, but okay, I think maybe this isn't a good place for you to be right now. I know you don't want to be pushed back, but yeah, I know, but mom's kind of busy.
I can hold them if you want.
Yeah, I just was trying to free you up, but it's certainly fine if you're
I don't know.
okay holding them. Yeah, you know what you're looking for. I know. Just gonna be such pretty little people. Okay, you're okay. Oops. Thumper. Just wish this one were moving around a little bit more. Because it's wet still, and that's a good way to cool off too much.
Want a towel?
Yeah. Hey, Roxy. Let me see your baby for a minute. Oh, it's really short. No wonder it's not going anyplace.
Honey, I got you. I have the other one. Is that other one okay there? Should I take it?
I think there's too many things going on. It sounds like a whistle. Like a whistle. It's so sweet. I want to keep you in good shape. I know, you're just kind of trying to find your way around in the world like the rest of us.